Today we're going to be continuing on with the construction of this dry stone wall. This wall is a continuation on a theme of a wall we built in the previous project on the side of the staircase under the deck. With the first course of our stones in this wall, we're ready to add some concrete on the back of them. I'm using the concrete with pigment in it to start off the system. This is to help lock in the bottom edge of the stone to the concrete. I agitate this first batch thoroughly under the bottom of the stones to get a really good adhesion between the bottom of the rock and the foundation we previously poured. Here you can see how I've added a piece of scrap concrete at the back of this large cornerstone. I'm just making sure I get a good bed of concrete and the pink granite stone. Once I'm satisfied it's sitting firmly at the right height, I backfill it with a little more of the pigmented concrete.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.